Hello, Walgreens shoppers. Well, this is the preview for the week of the 22nd to the 28th of 2020. So happy to see 2020 in the rearview mirror. We have 1 month left. Okay, so this is the cover. And if you look to the left-hand side, it says, check back on Thursday, November the 26th for more great offers. As you can see, there's a hot hair tool right there and a bunch of toys. There's going to be more deals that are dropping on that date. So I will have subsequent videos for you, but I had the sneakiest suspicion if you watched my Black Friday preview. I was like, I think there might be some hot tools or something showing up. Boom, there it is. So when I get the information, maybe on Wednesday, I'll present it in another video for you guys. But I mean, if there's an opportunity to get like a dryer or a flat iron or tools like that really inexpensive, we'll definitely find the deals. Let's not forget, this is also on the front of the ad, which is 25% off regular priced items with the code TAKE25. That's valid all week online. So let's dive right into some deals. The first one we're going to talk about is a can of Red Bull. You can do this one today or next week. It is your choice. A can is $2.29. And as you can see, this coupon for the exact amount appeared on our Walgreens card yesterday. So grabbing one can of Red Bull for $2.29, subtracting that $2.29 coupon, hey, that's a free can. It's a limit 1 per store card. And if you are in a state like Michigan, we have to pay can bottle deposits. This will probably cost you 10 cents. But if you're living in a state without a bottle deposit, you might just get this one completely for free. Okay, so the next freebie that we have is with the Burt's Bees Makeup Towelettes. $4.49 is an online price. If your store will modify the online price in store, you can get it for $4.49. They will do up to one product. So, hey, this would be perfect. If not, I think it might be like $5.99 or $6.99. So it might be $1 or $2 more for you. But if you can get that price mod in store, ask for it. So anyhow, looking at the math with a price mod, $4.99, and there's dollar peelies that have been found at various stores, including Walmart, so that would subtract $1. You're left with paying $3.99 out of pocket. Shopkick has 1,000 points when you buy one of these, which is the equivalency of $4, making it completely for free. If you cannot get that price mod, you can use Walgreens Cash, register rewards, twirl 17 times at the cash register. Maybe they'll do a price mod for you, but it never hurts to ask. But what a fantastic deal for like free makeup wipes. I mean, that's amazing. Okay, the next deal that we have, and all the rest of these deals are for Sunday, the 22nd and onwards. Grabbing 3 Crest toothpaste, they're $3 each. There's a $2 coupon in the December P&G plus a $2 digital, so you utilize 3 of those coupons. You're left with paying $3 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it free plus a $2 moneymaker. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. But I mean, this is fantastic to get, the toothpaste or the toothbrushes completely for free. The next little deal that we have is on the Purex, 5 for $10. There is a $1 coupon that's expiring on Sunday the 22nd. So if you might have some to throw into this deal, here's one for you. Grabbing 5 of the crystals for $10, subtracting 5 of those dollar coupons from the Retail Me Not of November the 15th. So you'll be left with paying 5 out of pocket, shaking it out to $1 each. That coupon expires on the 22nd, and I don't have one in hand, so I can't read the verbiage of how many you can use. But if you can use 5, go for it. If you can't, though, maybe use that in a register rewards or Walgreens cash. Again, I don't have one in hand to read the verbiage, the fine print. So either way, but I think with Purex, it might be 1 or 2. So just double, triple check that, make it work, maybe with Walgreens cash and register rewards or something else. But to get these items for $2 a piece, that is fantastic. Another really inexpensive item is the Colgate. $2.99. There's going to be a 50-cent coupon in this weekend's insert. So utilizing 2 of those, that's $1 off. You're left with paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, essentially making it for free. If you want to use Walgreens cash, go for it if you want to pay down a bit of your balance. But what a great deal for some free toothpaste. With all these extra register rewards floating around from the Colgate and the Crest deal, these totes will be 50% off for $6.49. Use a register reward and pay $1.49. If you have some Walgreens cash to pick up that $1, use it. But to get these tote slippers for that cost, 50% off with a $5 register reward. It's a very inexpensive Christmas gift. Okay, and now for the Pantene Army out there. These guys are $3.99. There's going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon or for the December P&G. After that coupon, you're left with paying $6.97 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward when you buy 3, making it $2.97 for the 3 or 99 cents per bottle of Pantene. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so these next 2 deals with paper, they might be harder to track down. If your store has limits on paper or if there's just nothing there, obviously this is just, it's just something to show you, but I'm really sorry if everything's been cleared. Don't be shy to ask your manager if they might have some of this in the back, because sometimes they might have a good amount. The earlier you go on Sunday, they might have a bunch of it out, and please ask if you can grab 4 of them. So grabbing 4 of them, that would be $19.96, subtracting 2 $5 register rewards from Crest and Colgate, pay $9.96 out of pocket, get back a $6 register reward. I mean, that's not the worst deal, and it's a good amount of paper to stock up on for your household. So, I mean, it's either going to be a big yes or a big no with this one. Now, if you could just track down either a Viva or a Cottonelle, these guys are $5.99, which is a really great price point. Usually they're closer to $9.99 for one. Yes, it's made out of gold. So picking up one of them, I would use a $5 register reward from Crest or Colgate and pay 99 cents and laugh all the way to the parking lot into your car, because that's a really great price point for these paper products by Kimberly-Clark. And photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because this is part of their catalog. You will get back extra points for this purchase. Okay, so now we're looking at the Swanson chicken broth. This is like a monthly price point, 2 for $1. There's a 50 center from the Smart Source of November the 8th. So utilizing 2 of those, you're paying nothing. Alternatively, if you don't have those coupons, I know that Ibotta has 50 cent back or $1 back when you buy 2. Check your account if you might have it. I had it for 2 weeks and then it just vanished. So I think I bought too many of these chicken broths, but what a great deal to get some of this for free or very inexpensive. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at, guys, is for the Head and Shoulders. If you need this, I think it's not a bad price point. So 2 of them would be $11.98. There will be a digital coupon starting Sunday, or from the December P&G, which is a 3 off of 2. You're left with paying $8.98 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per Head and Shoulders. If you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so the Blue Diamond almonds, the almond and fruits, or just the Blue Diamond nuts, they have a whole bunch of different flavors. They are 2 for $4.50. There will be a coupon, $1.50 off of 2 starting on Sunday, dropping it down to 2 for $3 or $1.50 per can. The Black Friday video that I made a couple days back, this was one item that a lot of you were like, oh my gosh. So absolutely do this deal. This is very inexpensive. Okay, so now we're going to talk about some honorable mentions. One thing I do want you to look through when you're in the store, especially with all the new digitals that will be showing up on Sunday morning, tons and tons and tons of hair care product at 50% off. I would love to see it at 90 because I'm greedy, but this is a first step in the right direction at 50% off, a whole bunch of different hair care. Okay, so the Kisses are $1.99. This is a really inexpensive price point. These bags are usually 2 for $6 at most pharmacies or stores, $3 a pop. So for $2, that's a really great price point. Also, the community coffee for $2.99. This coffee is usually closer to $6. So some tremendous savings, and this is taking place all week long, as are all of these deals. They're not just at the end of the week. So I think this one will get cleared really quickly, because when do we ever see K-Cups for this price point? So this is your Christmas gift right here. And then also, if you like the Walgreens brand, which is the nice, $2.99 for the different K-Cups for your Keurig. So if you can't find that community coffee, this is another one to look for. Okay, so the Oscar Meyer bacon, 2 for $8. That's usually closer to $5 at Meyer for a pack of bacon. So this is a really inexpensive price point for bacon. And also these sodas that are usually $2.19. 3 for 3. So they're basically $1 each. And remember, if you're in Michigan, you're going to have to pay a bottle deposit on that, unfortunately. And then the coffee creamer, 2 for $4. So this is a digital coupon that you can load starting on Sunday, or they might have a one to scan at checkout. But $2 for these coffee creamers, and it's a 16-ouncer. That's a really great price point. The Russell Stouffer's Little Santas, this is another digital coupon you have to load. 39 cents. So how wonderful is that? So, a great little stocking stuffer for Christmas. And then if you are a baker, or, you just want to get your pantry ready for the holidays, buy one, get one 50% off on the Walgreens Nice brand of the sugar, baking goods, that sort of stuff. Usually this stuff is reasonably priced, so that's some extra savings. And we have 40% off on like dog toys and different, they should have like all cat stuff, but it's like the pet supplies for dogs. I don't know. I don't think Pumpkin approves of that. Although he should dress up like Santa this year. I think that would be pretty funny. And then also the toys, 50% off some of these buys of the week. And the number 7 kit is also 50% off. So $50 kit down to $25. Not too shabby. Okay guys, so before I take off, if you want to watch this video, I will link it at the very end. I know a lot of you are not sure how to use the coupons.com, the new app that they launched recently. It's pretty easy to use. I go through a quick tutorial at the front end of this video, along with if you want to step up your Walmart game, just learn some tips and tricks and some secrets. Lots of great information in this video. I will link it here at the very end. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys!